I have several videos on my SD card. How can I now recognize the videos made in slow motion on the GoPro? Many thanks. This is a GoPro Hero 10. It's identical to the Hero 9 in every single way. The only difference is this does twice as much as the 9 in frame rates. I'm on slow motion. I'm going to take a video in slow motion. I'm going to stop it. I'm going to swipe up. My video is not playing slow motion. Let it finish. You see the eye? I click on the eye. I read the information. My preset, ultra slow motion. I back out. I look down here at the icons. You have a trash can. You have something that looks like a clock. You have something that looks like a pause stop. And the microphone or speaker. And you have a whole bunch over here. Click this. Slow motion on. Let's play it. Hit the play button. Now, I'm shooting with the Sony ZV-1F and I got my new side over there doing a nice job. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to you.